And of course, we want to look at the US market as well, performing over last night. US market as of last night, the S&P 500 closed slightly higher after flitting between gains and also losses during Wednesday's session as investors waited for the next batch of economic data after a robust start of the week spurred by the soft inflation data and also a US-China tariff truce. Investors were watching out for more trade developments while President Donald Trump toured the Gulf states and also secured $600 billion in commitments from Saudi Arabia. Some U.S. tech companies rallied after the administration announced artificial intelligence-related deals in the Middle East on Tuesday. U.S. stocks had gained ground sharply on Monday and advanced again on Tuesday after the United States and China hit pause for 90 days on their fierce tariff dispute.
All right, we've got a continuation today of what we've seen the rest of the week since the announcement of the China deal. Tech stocks are going higher. You've had an agreement with the Trump administration in Qatar to buy more chips, so that's helping investors cheer on many of the chip stocks. Meanwhile, you've got a drag on the safe havens, and that's pulling the Dow down. Actually, if you look at the S&P, it's being also, the average stock in the S&P is also down as well. So you've really got sort of certain areas like tech that are doing well, and a lot of other areas are struggling. So while the China trade deal is a positive, and you've seen that reaction from the markets, I'd caution investors that overall tariff rates are still roughly 15%, inclusive of the UK and the China deals. We still don't know if those tariffs could go up if deals were to fall apart. But even at the level given this recent announcement, you still have tariffs dramatically higher than where they were last year. So that's still going to be a drag on the economy. It's going to cause higher inflation. And so there's still going to be negative effects from it. It's just that investors are excited that the worst case scenario is off the table.
On Wednesday, the S&P 500 gained 6.03 points to end at 5,892.58 points, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 136.72 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 89.37 points or 0.21%.